What you want? So cute.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hi guys, so we're back out here, gonna get some street food today. So guys, we're actually at Palisades Strip right now. The wind is really lovely, and the sun is setting, and trust me, it's really calming, it's really cool out here. So if you guys really want to go and get a little night jog, best place to be. But I'm really out here for the food. So if you guys want to come along and taste some of our Harborview Runabout street food, then come with us.
What do you like about the Harborview street food though?
So to be honest with you guys, we're both going to be tasting today because I've only had fried chicken, regular thing. So
From the Harborview spot you're taking me to?
Yes,
I swore you'd be like, oh my
no,
god.
I've had the jerk chicken though once, but that's it. But do you guys know that there's a difference between pan chicken and jerk chicken? If you don't, we're gonna find out today. But I pork more and don't watch the rest. Yeah, pork I eat. Pork is life. But I'm really wanting to try some chicken and oysters. Oh my god, I've been craving oysters. Really been craving oysters. So I'm going to make sure I get that tonight. So I know that Port Royal really has the best, but we're gonna try a Harborview Runabout and see what them have, see if them can live up to my standards.
So first we're heading to Port Royal
Yes.
to get some oysters.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
You mentioned something before that they have some special kind of oyster.
Yes, no, for him, that oyster man, he has a variety of, sauces. So I'm excited to take Stephen here to go and try some. And y'all are gonna see what I'm talking about, cause it's a buzz.
Mad. So back that direction we have Harborview. It's back that direction, so we're gonna be going to there a bit later. And then all the way out there where you guys might have seen that beautiful sunset, we are going to be going that side to Port Royal to try out some really good oysters you mentioned.
So you guys gonna come with us, so welcome back and let us go on this journey. I'm so excited!
Alright guys, welcome back to Second and Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So currently we are in Port Royal and we're checking out this place called the Oyster Man, you see me? Because apparently them have a whole heap of different kind of oysters that them actually have. So not no basic one flavor type of thing. So we're actually here and see the people I'm out to try some oysters. You guys know oysters already is it's an aphrodisiac, so it's gotta be good.
Try that yoga one.
So Sarah, you did what to say here where I must say about it. What are them named? Horse tonic.
Horse tonic, trust me. I feel like I can try that today, but it's more of a man sauce.
What I'm supposed to do. I did mention that.
Spanish fry,
Spanish fly. That's
Spanish fry, you put wide, you have suck it wood.
so Spanish fly. Open your foot wide.
Suck it wood.
So cute.
We don't say that when I say it.
Yeah, man,
So
real thing in them now.
we think them. So we don't know.
You have sorrel, you have sweet and sour. You have strawberry, you have ganja spirulina. You have ganja sweet. That, yes, pineapple.
Yo.
Where's
Right.
the next one, yeah? Next one.
That people are coming to the table. So
Don't shake it back, just hold it down.
alright, so I'll give my sample pan. The stuff then. Wow, this is our vibes. one of the best thing about interacting with any Jamaican vendor, them always have a gimmick, a name. You hear them name there? Go open your foot wide and them, yo.
Stanic.
Stanic, them thing they just make you just want to just, you see me just buy the thing them and just straighten up the back and thing, you see?
No man, you try
So which one you draw for, sir?
This is what, the sweet and...
hot that.
Sweet
Okay.
and hot.
Alright. So you just turn it over.
Wait one. See how stand it.
I'll take a look while still, but what's wrong with that? Alright. So for my non-oyster eaters, there's no chewing taking place in this. You just
No man, don't just suck and swallow.
what I want to name again?
Sweet and sour.
This sweet and sour.
Yeah, sweet and sour, sweet and hot.
Alright. I have to try the ganja one, tell them more.
Because the rest of us only have pork today, so I don't understand that never.
Pork off in him.
Come back.
The greatest pork man this
Trust
way.
me.
You see?
Himself, what?
Eh?
This is a dream come true, guys.
If
No
him sell
lie,
pork, he
always.
wouldn't have no money. I would have eat off all the pork.
Alright.
Alright, bust up on the horse tonic one. Maybe I can try a thing.
Which one I go for now? The open up your foot?
Open up your foot.
Open up your foot?
Yeah.
Okay, your vibes?
Okay. Wait.
Alright, you should go for the open up your foot.
Jeez, you saw that?
So much
Jeez,
training.
that have me I say. The one that kind of tastes like fruit cake still now.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Which one are your favourite so far? The sorrel one or?
It's a different taste, but the sorrel and the sweet and pepper definitely have a vibe.
That one they are more vibe.
What is?
Yeah.
Where's that problem tonight?
So guys, if you not ever come to Jamaica, come to Port Royal, Oyster man Rona, so you see me? So just after you eat from Gloria's or whatever, you want to try some oysters fresh. And I've never seen an oyster vendor with this many flavors. Like, this is ridiculous.
Where you want? Suck it?
Whoa! Whoa!
Hold on, it takes time.
Go for it.
Take time.
Go for it!
Alright, bust some on it now. Bust some on it.
Just a bust up on it, man.
Yeah man, give me that.
You take that one, them are you deadly. You start
Deadly.
wind up and down right away.
Oh gosh.
But
So yeah, we
most
want
time
to
we
hear
go
about
party
all
and
the
do that.
after effects after this, you know. We need to know.
Where's the 1 dozen?
Yeah.
You hear that?
No sir.
So this is the herbs one. You guys know what that is? You can see all of the seed them and everything.
Take a while.
Take a while to fall down, but when it reach, it reach.
Yeah, one day so.
Why you say no trouble?
Come on. Okay, I'm gonna forget to add tonight.
Yeah, you get high. You wouldn't let them high.
So how long now you been on here?
Me?
Yeah.
About 20 odd years.
All the years.
Them sauce and those make we eat pan ice alone. You can eat pan meat.
And I'm
And
just say.
I with a roast fish and them thing there, right? Hi, baby, so you're drinking man or something these things?
No.
Why? You know the value of it? That's why you see chewing us up. You see chewing us up that one and you can't borrow so pushing the seed, you know?
Yeah.
Try to know that. That me I tell you. You see, you see if you did a suck this video, you couldn't go on with them things there, but now go wrong.
You look like weed.
Yeah. It took a long time though, so.
Yeah, but you ain't have it done a while ago. You have Ganja spirulina to you know, you have Ganja straight. Sorry, like.
The boss one team doesn't know take no show up, you know.
Me a woman me I don't want to call the man who shot in there in a bed with enough of them name I get called.
Oh wow.
So no mind what you're not doing. Aye, you know say give you side effect.
What's side effect?
Too much sex.
Sex can never be too much, you know.
So which two flavors that you have?
Oh,
this
but
is sweet
I
and-
think you was here.
Spicy, this is sorrel.
Yeah, but you never there.
This is just sweet and sour.
No,
Which one are your favorites so far?
Boy, all of them are the favorites. Can't choose.
all of them
Can't
are favorites?
choose, yeah. So I'm showing in them. How one must actually eat it.
Yeah,
Like open your mouth and show
want-
everything?
So you want to hear the
What
slurp?
you
Do
want?
you hear
Why
it?
you mean slurp?
Just tell me what you want.
Alright,
Yeah,
that's
Turkey wood,
the
yeah,
first
but
one.
you put wide.
This is a sorrel.
Yeah, Spanish fly.
And you just swallow it. Don't think about it.
No
you
long
just-
talking,
Yeah,
just
just
swallow.
swallow it. Don't think about it.
So for them don't know Spanish fly, you know, you put them.
Yeah, man. Also one more.
Yeah. How are them do? Nah. Some of them not lie. Some of them not lie.
Vibes.
Yeah, but
Very handy, you know, through COVID we still have to be, you know,
out of the eyes.
sanitary. So you can come and wash your hands right after you're done.
pretty hands too.
Thank you.
So we see a truth in the cup, that's a special different style or
Yeah.
just drink it away there without a
That man you suck out a cup.
Oh.
You might try the sucking out a cup, you know, but it not work. If you better than suck it, I shell. It give remembrance.
They say more effective from the shell.
Yeah, he say him remembrance of the sucking from the shell.
Another sauce. When I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, we don't have none of that one.
This is another flavor. It's a well spicy one. They seem like holy scotch bonnet and some vinegar, carrot, onion. Seem like a escovitch but spicy.
It's not look right. Did you say runny? Oh, Jesus.
Tell me how you go here. I want to hear it eat.
Aye. Don't worry, he's up there, he's not down there. You have to. So you don't have to worry.
Take it to the head.
Who next? Oh, me soon come to you.
Spicy?
I'm done with it.
You good?
Like, it tastes more like
Vinegar? Okay.
Alright.
Alright, my vibe now. Ready up. This will not be an extended version of me sucking on anything. I just tell you how I think about the flavors them. And then that's it, you see me? So this one here is the sorrel flavor. Oh my god. Good, yeah. So now I'm trying the spicy one that I showed not too long ago. The escovitch.
This is the sweet and spicy.
Woo. That they're actually good.
Yeah, man.
The sorrel one, epic. Yo, channel. Yo, when you follow the Port Royal, make sure you follow to this man over there. But you hear them vibes, of a nice Jamaican vibes.
No sauce on the pan yet.
And best of all, I'm ready for tourists. I'm not really matter about the camera or whatever. Cause I know it's a business. Jamaica's a tourism industry, so. Woo! And it's really good, tastes fresh. From the bartender lady.
I bought for the sauce when I done here, you know.
Eh?
What do you want? Me a sauce with man special, you know.
So you want to try the
Berliner good for me.
Eh?
Yeah, try the oatmeal?
Me a sauce.
Open up.
Where's Berliner though?
Eh?
Where's Berliner though?
No Berliner that you
You know.
Strawberries in there.
This one is strawberry.
green, man.
Yeah.
Don't worry about the color. Color might have paled based on the sauce and everything, but guys, let me tell you, the flavors of them sauces, no joke. I've never met an oyster seller that has so many different flavors, right?
This one.
Strawberry is good, but still, sorrel, I
So
win.
you hold it
So
to the ground.
yeah, this one is what again?
With the pan here, it's not bad at all.
Alright, you just like a taste it.
No, more if I the bad one.
Which one this?
You ready for your one?
Eh?
Which one is this one?
Then princess.
Which one is this one?
Spirulina.
Spirulina, yeah,
Nah,
man.
man. Don't shake the back of boss.
So yeah, you know hear that, don't shake the bottle, just hold it down and it will run. If it take long, it just take long, you understand? So them oysters that make you do, you know, take long to come out, you know? So them they long to bust.
Sweet and sour.
Them two you're doing?
Probably not have a vibe, but not still not my favorite. Them, what is this? This ready?
The sweet and yeah.
Okay.
That man sauce, man. That sauce was good for sauce for the end of the name gland people.
Garlic and what in this?
What you say? The garlic and honey.
Garlic and honey and pimento, yeah, see them. So you can see the garlic, the honey, pimento. Just you can see how that one goes.
Don't shake no more. What are they? You can't stand it.
You need to take the cast on it, you know, Steve.
No, stand it.
Why I mean if you take cast on it?
Because you know you're with me.
You know, you like exercise.
Like good.
They do.
Yeah, manage me, you know, that me I
They
tell
do
them.
go and chop a sleep, push out there, you rest your hand in there.
Nah.
And you wake up back and run.
That one's good, but not my favorite. When the arsenic. See boss over there, so I pour the arsenic.
What's this in there?
You know, it's a little bit of... Yeah, hold him!
What?
Yeah, that's nice. Pour the arsenic. Don't put it back, put it right here. Want to see this really go work.
Start filming up yet?
Come on, come on. Come on, try the one.
Because it's hard to come down here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bring the one, yeah.
Remember that can be dangerous.
The arsenic?
No, the one that we make here.
The one.
The one.
Can be dangerous. THT and knife.
All of them, yeah. Nothing so much.
Never really tried anything they get.
Line up
Alright, this is the one.
After she did it,
You want by the sorry?
that line.
I like the one. I want to taste the flavor. I want it.
That's why it's called that.
No. We don't eat on a mic.
So I may say I can forget
The
the
dog say you know eat through that table. I suck on that table.
The one that is the sorry too. The one that is the sorry too. Or what is it?
Yeah.
Let me sorry. Sorry is my favorite. Sorry is really good.
The way I talk, the video like
You want to talk one more again?
Yeah, one more. Don't three of them. Please.
Yeah,
Usually, guys, when I'm on the beach and I see the guys selling oysters, I usually buy it just to show support. It's not something where I run down, but this actual one, I would actually buy another dozen because the flavor as fun it is. It's a word for it around here. The humor, if you don't mind, you know, that type of humor, it's there. The sauces, you have so many different options. And you see the customers here, so it shows sales at a places, isn't it?
Cup full, you know?
It's like a cup full.
Yeah.
So I make you go for your cup and not for
Yeah, me see lady have
See?
them. Because some of them
Alright, vibes. Good.
So I want flavour in that.
No, me kind of do a little. Yeah.
Mixed
A
up.
little medley.
Medley.
Yeah, we do a medley, you know?
Alright, bless up. Give thanks, bro.
You know what? None of them want to rub them one of them.
One hour never go about. Yeah, well, 1 hour. Most important thing, give me down the door.
A dozen?
I will split it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Make you feel better. You like that sound?
Jamaican ingenuity at its best. This is an oven where the man roasts him fish in. Watch it. And trust and believe it hot in there. Ridiculous. Channel.
Hello, cool on the back. I know water. You can't hold the buckles up here, run the whole lot of run out the other way there.
Cheers.
Not that way there, not that way there. Yeah.
That's it? Alright, so we're already here already, so we'll go run some support, you see me? So we're gonna get some fresh caught fish where we're gonna have it roasted right there in that oven. You understand? So the fish are pick out right now. I go pick out. And we're gonna get it seasoned up and everything.
Mix it up with it.
No, that's a cell different.
No.
So we're gonna get some roast fish. You excited about roast fish or
I didn't want pork, but roast fish so nice.
pork you want? But we can probably just stop
And just buy like a
up,
quarter pound.
yeah. And another time I do a whole video on that.
Now like guys, if you don't follow me, I'll be eating some more.
Them nice man, like literally like it's really good.
But I feel like the open up your foot on the horse stomach and the wanna might so kicky. So
Then time for you to go home and go to bed.
A reaction. What kind of reaction you have? Hmm? 2 pound, I think.
2 pounds. So about 2 pound right or so. V-bone and everything apparently. I would presume for the most part. As in the mid bone like it gone.
Have you them now
The
watching?
most part.
No, it's 8 more than him.
Don't want that.
No, if that is sneaking, nobody does that.
Put on sauce. Jeez. Rich. Yeah, man.
What happened? Sauce. Seasoning.
No, one fish. One fish that. So I guess okra and that seasoning is
17.
I can't tell from me say slime I say yeah man okra and that you know. Yeah. I talk about Gloria, so this I wanna forward round to Oyster. Roast fish, everybody.
Sweet.
So I'm dropping at the oven now. Only a yard. Only in Jamaica.
Why you say you have on the road? You say you have feelings on the road?
That man come back for more. Yeah.
He remember say carry zinc, magnesium, all for different things carry.
Okay.
So Sarah just asked him how business did I go throughout COVID. And the boss say, no problem. Because you don't know, even during COVID, man, I got still want mash work same way.
True.
So it I got still sell. And of course, he was mentioning the nutritional benefits that they're there.
Ooh, you see this? Nutritional breakdown of oysters. It's like a prescription for better sex.
Wow. Survive.
On Sunday, me out 4 o'clock. On Sunday, 4 o'clock. Yeah.
When you're hot, the boss have to open the door and make it rest. You understand? But it have a whole heap of heat. This is amazing, to be honest. I can smell it really good. I can actually smell it. Even down here it's very windy. I might hear the bunch of wind and stuff. But anyway, we'll run over to Gloria's really quick, get 2 juice so we can have something to drink with this. And we'll be right back. Service.
Alright, take what you say.
My brother, that smells good.
Nothing to run out free around here. You have no fee.
Thank you very much. Not do that.
Oh, just
Just.
process what the sun.
But the other side, there must be things like Spanish,
I'm gonna lie, this smells really good. Yeah, 2 forks please. That's official when I get a bammy and everything, eh?
In this circumstance?
Oh, that's official when I get bammy? Eh?
No.
Okay.
What I'm saying?
Alright. Blessings, blessings. You got your hand try, cause you like somebody will mash up fish. Alright, so time to dig in now.
You just start a rub pan.
Yeah.
Look at bird like him and say, yo, run some of the fish, bro.
Yeah, but after a while, the one will fuck them up. Okay, ready. Are you damn
Look at vibe I go and feed us.
And you can make some money. And you know the first thing you buy,
Sauce.
one of them buy. And you know the second thing you buy, a coffee. Because in my right hand church, I'm going to talk in London, straight towards Jamaica. Gone. So I'm not sure you. Buy. I don't mind meeting up.
Alright guys, so the fish was pretty good. Alright guys, so we're gonna get ready to leave right now. The fish per pound is 1,400. That's a 2-pound fish. That was 2,800. So that wasn't bad at all. Curfew time is coming up right now, so we have to bounce, have to get Sarah home. So that's gonna be the whole vibe, man. The fish was pretty good. Interesting how they use the okra and blended up everything to get that whole, you know, that slurry of flavors and stuff. Yeah. So we are going to leave really quick because I said curfew. But if you guys want to see us do another video, if I can get her to do another video with me, we will go out to, it's Harborview, right? Out to that Harborview Square, try out the food there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember the 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. Yo, get this video to 1,000 likes if you want to see more videos like these. Always remember, keep the link.